for giving us the opportunity to speak at this webinar. We truly appreciate your support and a platform to share our information. I know many of you are already familiar with who we are, but I'd like to take a moment to reintroduce ourselves. This is Mary Shelton, the Executive Director of the Opioid Abatement Council, and I'm Ella Redding, Project Administrator for the Opioid Abatement Council. And we're excited to be here with you today and look forward to sharing more updates about our work. In today's webinar, we will cover an overview of the responsibility of the Council, the Letter of Agreement, Semi-Annual Report, the 2025 county payments and a 3-year rolling projections, as well as an update on SMART initiative. Now, the Council has two key responsibilities. The Council is responsible for making sure that the funds are used to prevent and address opioid misuse, as well as to treat or mitigate opioid use disorders and their related effects. This responsibility is outlined in our Public Charter 491. The Council is also entrusted with overseeing the funds allocated to the Opioid Abatement Trust Fund, and as shown in the chart below, 65% of the funds are allocated to community grants, while 35% go to the counties. These allocations are crucial in determining how the funds will be dispersed and are essential to supporting our ongoing efforts in opioid abatement. As part of the process, each county is required to enter into a letter of agreement with the Opioid Abatement Council to ensure the proper disbursements of funds. Here are the key points about the letter of agreement. The agreement is mandatory for receiving funds. All funds must be used exclusively for opioid abatement and remediation purposes, ensuring that they address the intended goals. And all counties are required to maintain all records in accordance with state law, ensuring transparency and accountability. This agreement is essential for maintaining compliance and achieving the shared objective of addressing the opioid crisis effectively. Now, under the terms of the letter of agreement, the counties are required to obligate all funds for specific purposes outlined in the agreement. Now, this must be done within the initial 2-year period of the overall 4-year timeframe. This ensures that the funds are utilized efficiently and in alignment with the objectives set forth in this agreement. So for the 2023 funding year, we are approaching the end of the allocation time period, but I will provide more details on what the next steps will be in the semi-annual report slide. So real quick, let me walk you through the 2025 disbursement schedule. So the letter of agreements were sent out on January 31st and February 3rd. Please ensure that these are reviewed, signed, and returned by February 28th. I want to thank everyone who has already signed and returned that letter of agreement. If you have not received or can't locate the letter of agreement, please contact me as soon as possible and I will get that letter of agreement back to you. For the 2025 payment, the Opioid Abatement Council is aiming to start initiating payments through Edison between mid-March and early April. The current total for 2025 county payments stands at $24,462,584.99. This timeline is important for ensuring a smooth and timely disbursement process. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Now, the Council has established a clear disbursement schedule. The funds will be dispersed to counties annually during the first quarter of each calendar year. This funding process is set to continue for the next 15 years, ensuring that we have sustained support for opioid abatement efforts. First, I want to thank everyone for submitting the past semi-annual reports. Your efforts are greatly appreciated. To date, we've completed 3 rounds of semi-annual reports: the September 2023, March 2024, and September 2024. Now, September 2023 and March 2024 semi-annual report is posted on our website, and September 2024 report will be posted shortly as well. Now, if you are needing a copy of the full report you submitted, just please reach out to me and I will get that to you. But looking ahead, the next report will be due in April. When completing the semi-annual report, please ensure that any necessary revisions from previous reports are incorporated into your April submission. This will help us maintain accuracy and ensure that all updates are reflected in the reporting process. Now, as a reminder, all counties are required to complete a semi-annual report twice a year, and each report should include the remediation strategies funded, the number of people served, when the funds were spent, and the total amount of funds spent per strategy. So planning ahead, the next semi-annual report will be sent out on March 31st and is due back from each county by April 30th. So requesting an extension for allocating funds. Let me provide some important information about extensions for allocating 2023 county payments. We are getting to the end of that time period, but an extension is available if your county has not allocated all of its 2023 county payments. And now, if this applies to your county, you can request a 2-year extension to complete the allocation process. To request an extension, your county will need to have provide a detailed plan, specify the amount allocated so far, and outline how the remaining funds will be used. The April semi-annual report will include a dedicated section for you to input your detailed plan, along with an option to upload any supporting documents you may have. We will also, your county will also have the option to request education and consulting support from the Opioid Abatement Council for fund allocation. And to facilitate this, we will share your contact information with the education and consulting agency contracted with the OAC, which will be SMART Initiative. And again, that will be in the semi-annual report as one of the questions for you to answer. Where to find the remediation list. This list is posted on our website under County Funding. Also on our website, we have the activities from the remediation list sorted by 6 categories, which is primary prevention, treatment, harm reduction, education and training, recovery support, and research and evaluation. This may be helpful to you for when the time comes for you to complete the semi-annual report. Again, all of that would be on our website. So the county's 3-year rolling projection. Per your request, the Tennessee Opioid Abatement Council has developed a 3-year rolling projections for county payments covering from 2026 to 2028. Now, these projections are updated annually and serve as a planning tool. However, it is important to notate that they may not match exactly to the actual payment amounts. Now, these projections are already posted on our website. So regarding to timing and variability, these projections assume maximum payments, but are subject to change based on the timing and final settlement amounts released to the Opioid Abatement Trust Fund. And additionally, the county allocation percentages are reviewed and updated every 4 years to ensure alignment with the Tennessee Department of Health's schedule. In doing this, we hope that this process helps you with your planning while also accounting for potential adjustments. So this is the 3-year rolling projection. Again, this is posted on our website, but I'll take a brief moment to pause so you can review the projections. And again, as a disclaimer, the projections, data, and information provided are not final numbers. These numbers are subjected to change depending on payouts from companies and distributors. So a quick update on SMART initiative and where we are in the contracting process. So currently we are in the contracting stage. SMART initiative has submitted the scope of work, the reporting details, and the budget to the OAC office for review. The OAC office is now drafting the contract, and we're on track to finalize this soon. Our target go live date is set for March.
Okay, that's fine.
For our current focus, SMART Initiative is actively collaborating with counties that have not yet finalized their September 2024 semi-annual report. And the goal of this collaboration is to provide additional guidance and support, helping you effectively allocate and utilize opioid abatement funds. And this effort is about ensuring that you have the tools you need to succeed and address opioid-related challenges. And again, this is our contact information. The best way to contact me is through the county email, the oac.tncounty@tn.gov, or by my cell 615-571-5116. You can also reach me with my other email, which is ella.redding@tn.gov, but the oac.tncounty would be the best email for you to reach me. Now, our website is the best way to stay updated with our current events. So if you have any other questions or concerns, please refer back to our websites. And again, you can reach out to me if you have any questions. Is there any questions or comments that you may like to address or any concerns that you may have? If not, that is all I have for today. Again, thank you for letting us be here. And if you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to me via email, my phone, and that's all.
Mary and Ella, thanks for joining us. Anything else you need to cover, Mary?
I don't think so. Again, just want to encourage anybody, any of the county mayors or finance directors, if you have any questions about the semi-annual report or the letter of agreement, to reach out to Ella. She has been working actively with all 95 counties to make sure that they understand the reporting requirements. So please feel free to reach out if you need any additional information.
And I'm checking the chat. I don't see any questions in there, and looks like haven't seen anybody else unmute or try to raise a question. So thank you for joining us. So this, if there's somebody else in your county who wants to see it, within a day or two, we'll have it, the video uploaded to our website and put that out in our newsletter. So let them know that they can see the recording there.
That sounds good. Thank you.